Welcome back to the channel, where today we are diving into a significantly faster, less painful path for turning your long-form videos into high-impact social clips. If you are tired of the old-school workflow inside software like Premiere, importing, transcribing, manually slicing, and exporting, you are going to love this smarter approach. We are going to walk through an AI-driven workflow that can save you hours of busy work every single week. Getting started is incredibly simple, as you can just drag your video file into the web app or paste a link from your favorite video platform. The system immediately begins analyzing your footage, saving you from the tedious task of hunting for highlights manually. Once the analysis wraps up, the platform automatically scans for high engagement moments like topic shifts, laughter, or key punchlines. It magically generates a batch of ready-to-post snippets that are already trimmed to the parts people actually want to watch. This entire process takes just a minute or two, which is a massive upgrade from the hours spent chopping through a traditional timeline. One of my favorite features is how clicking any line in the transcript instantly jumps your preview to that specific moment in the original video. This level of synchronization is incredibly helpful, and because the transcript is fully editable, you can fix any minor AI errors in seconds. When you make those edits, the platform automatically updates the clip captions and timestamps so everything stays perfectly aligned. For those times when you need to make global changes, the Find and Replace feature is an absolute lifesaver. You can quickly rename a product or fix a recurring transcription error across a dozen clips with just a few clicks. Regarding those captions, the software generates them automatically for every clip and gives you total control over their appearance. You can easily toggle through caption style presets, font sizes, and positioning to ensure they never block your important on-screen content. Whether you need to export SRT files or burn captions directly into the video for that silent scrolling crowd, you are covered. Editing the clips is equally straightforward, allowing you to trim frames, adjust the timing, or merge suggestions for a smoother flow. There is even a built-in graphics panel for adding intro slates or lower thirds, so you don't have to jump back into a complex editor. Now let's talk about the publishing game changer, the automated scheduling and content calendar feature. Instead of staring at a spreadsheet, you can simply set your preferred frequency, and the AI will space your posts out intelligently. You can also take manual control by dragging and dropping clips into specific time slots for all your social platforms in one place. Consider a real-world scenario where I had a 45-minute live stream that contained 10 incredible high-value moments. In the old days, that would have taken half a day of tedious work. But with this AI workflow, I turned it into an hour-long task. While professional NLEs are still king for heavy color grading or complex multicam syncs, they can be complete overkill for simple social clips. Many other tools force you to hop between different apps for transcribing, editing, and scheduling, which absolutely destroys your creative flow. This platform hits that sweet spot by being fast, fully integrated, and purpose-built for the clip-first workflow that creators actually need. The clip detection here just seems to find higher potential moments compared to competitors, and the scheduling logic is genuinely smart. To get the most out of this, try recording at a consistent pace and clearly call out your topic transitions so the AI knows where to cut. Also, do not be afraid to merge two suggested clips if the narrative flows better that way, because you are still the creative director here. When you are ready to ship, you can export to MP4 with your custom branding or publish directly to your social media accounts. It even handles the caption text and hashtags for you, saving you yet another step in the grueling distribution process. Ultimately, this is about reducing friction so your content actually goes out consistently instead of sitting on a hard drive. If you are ready to scale your output, I highly recommend giving this clip-first approach a serious try. You get all the automation of highlight detection and scheduling while keeping the fine control that your brand requires. Drop any questions about specific content types like podcasts or lectures in the comments below, and I will be happy to dive deeper. If this helped streamline your process, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your long-form content. I will see you all in the next video, where we will cover even more ways to keep your content pipeline moving.